In this video, we'll be talking about the enums in C#. We can define an enum like this. I'm going to create a new folder called enums and create an enum called direction. Then I'm going to create a group of constants north, south, east, and west. Every enum member has an underlying integral value. They are automatically assigned and given in the declaration order. Now we can use this enum type in the main program. We can cast it to an int as well. The conversion in opposite direction is also valid. We can specify another integral type if we want. If we wanted to use a byte instead of an int, we could write something like this. The underlying integer values can be explicitly set as well. And we can also omit some of the members. The enum members keep incrementing from the last explicit value, so the south member is still 11, and west is 101, just like when they were explicitly defined. When working with combinations, it's recommended to use the plural naming. It's also recommended to use the flags attribute on the enum type. Combining enum members requires explicit values typically assigned in powers of 2 to avoid ambiguities. To create a combined enum member, we use the bitwise operators like bitwise OR and bitwise AND. We could still combine the enums without specifying the flags attribute, but when using the string method on the combination, we would get an integer value instead of a string representation, for example, north-east. Now I'm going to show you what would have happened if I didn't use the powers of 2 as enum members values. If I used a sequence of 1, 2, 3, and 4 like this, when represented binary, a bitwise OR operation between the north and east would look like this. A result would be 3, and that is also a value of east, so the following statement would be true. Now when I go back to the direction enum and bring back the values to powers of 2, the underlying bitwise operation results in different values. And the northeast and east are no longer the same. That was it for this video. Thank you for watching.